Good morning guys. Balik na tayo. My God, hindi ako makatulog. 3 o'clock gising na ako. Ngayon 5 na. Hindi pa rin ako makatulog. Si Mr. guys, as aalos siya ngayon. Nasad ako slight kasi siya. Akala ko mag-stay siya ngayon. Pero binigyan siya ng trabaho so wala siyang magawa, no? Kapag talagang bigyan siya ng trabaho, si Tami hindi man yan hindi. And then ang nakakasad kasi next week, almost whole week, binigyan siya ng trabaho. Ang pinag-worry ko is yung pagod siya pabalik-balik. Hindi ko alam no kung bakit si Tami hindi marunong maghindi. Kahapon dumating ako dito, no. Inoferan siya, sabi niya, sure ka nga magtrabaho ba? Kailangan ng 5 tao daw sa trabaho. And then sabi niya, hindi talaga, alam niyo naman na parating yung asawa ko. Tinawagan siya ng kaibigan niya ng may-ari ng kumpanya, anak ng may-ari, mga kaibigan man niya yun guys. And then yun na siya ba na si Tami kasi ang tawag ng tawag pag hindi no, kasi hindi paano ako maglakad, ako pa uwi. Ang gulo. So sabi ko sa kanya, kakarating ko lang pero andun ka sa couch natulog, paano ako madiligan ito? Joke lang guys. Lang ako, wala akong problema sa guys, pero first night ko pa pagbalik, doon siya sa couch kasi ayaw niya akong madisturbo. Tingnan niyo, gising ako 3 o'clock hanggang 5 o'clock ngayon. Ngayon nandun siya sa shower. Ayaw talaga niya magtrabaho ngayon guys. Gusto niyang mag-spend time sa akin. Wala talaga siyang magawa kasi binigay sa kanya at hindi na siya pwede magsabi na, pwede man siya magsabi na wag muna. Pero nahiya siya ba? Nahiya. Mabait kasi yun guys, kaibigan niya. Sobrang bait ba din, kailangan ng tulong. Punta tayo sa labas guys. Ate, you wanna go inside? You gonna go upstairs? Go up. Come on, you can go upstairs. No. You can go up. Come on. Up. Come on up. Go up. Come on. Ate. You can stay there, okay? Tignan natin sa labas, B, kung okay ba. I know, maginaw eh. Hala. Tugnaw pa ang panahon dali guys. Tugnaw siya, maginaw pa rin. So I need jacket. Kailangan ko ng jacket. Ano ng ulan? Kapag ulan ng ulan, edi hindi ako mag-widwalk. Ang taas na ng gilid-gilid din. Gilid sa bahay. Lahat ng may gilid na hindi maano. Grabe. Ang haba. Ang pangit. So sana walang ulan. Careful driving, my darling.
See, I got those back because those are good for cat litter.
Which one?
I use those to like
What are you talking about?
the birdseed bags.
Yeah?
They're good to do to clean the cat litter. I talk to you later.
Careful, huh?
Yeah. Did you drive last night yesterday?
Night.
Rain?
Yeah,
You drive at night?
Hindi ako makatulog. Almost 12 o'clock na ng gabi. Andito pa rin tayo. Malaki ang mata. Hindi ako makatulog, guys. Natulog ako kanina hapon. Umaga actually. Oy, hapon. Sabi pa ni Tami, patungo na siya dito. Di ba nagtrabaho siya? Sabi niya sa akin, matulog ka para maka-adjust ka. Kasi hindi man ako makatulog. Oy. So, mag-force na lang ako magtulog-tulog diha para bukas meron tayong magagawa. Marami tayong magawa. Kasi nga kailangan kong mag-garden. Kailangan kong mag-weedwalk, maglinis sa yard. Dito na si Kano. Nandito na sa bahay ang aking asawa. Hi! Hi! It's been a long time I don't see you. It's been a month. You left me behind. Aloy! Baby! What a official baby now. Finally, gumising na guys. Kapihan na natin, pakapihin. Gumising na. Ang una kasi niyang gawin kape. Kapag gumising yan, kape. Hindi talaga yan mahilig pag breakfast. Mag-breakfast lang yan kung wala siyang, kung meron ako mga niloto ba. Pugusin ko man yan paminsan. To finish this that I can go to Home Depot later. Pretty baby.
How big was this thing?
Run away.
How big?
Like my pinky.
What?
Pinky. It's not big, but scary.
Black snake?
Yeah.
Look nice.
It's still scary. I don't care. It's still snake. May snake doon guys ba? Tumalon ako eh. Shumagit si Indirian. Snake! Talawan ba itag-ahas? No? String guys, naputol. Kasi konti na lang natira pala. So, lagay tayo ng bago. I need more string. I don't understand why the string don't... Maybe I take the bad one. Here, find the other end because it seems like I got the other end. That's why it's stuck.
Oh, yeah, you're so poking it.
The other side. The one that I got.
Whole thing turn. If you're holding the top, it won't turn. You only hold the side.
Okay. Kain muna tayo guys. Kasi nangurog ko. It means kailangan kong kumain. Rice and chicken. Chicken ulit. As long as makakain ako. Iba yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. Pero kailangan ko pa rin magtrabaho.
But I guess you're just hoping for the best.
You know, I'm not driving for a month, so you have to be helping me watch out.
Attention, all squirrels, leave the premises.
All small animals, run for your life. Marianne is back.
Are you happy I did walking?
Yep. I would have did it, but I would have did it with the battery went on. Annoying.
It will kill your back.
It kills my back anyway. No matter what I do, it kills my freaking back. The back is just I don't know what he's doing. He's not signaling. He's just sitting there.
Going?
I would just go. I don't know what the hell he's got in his mind, but clearly it's a little empty.
What are you doing here? Why you're up here? You're so cute. Why you're up here? Luto tayo ng steak. I miss steak, huh? Huh? I miss the steak.
And I saw somebody taking that stuff you told me to take, the extra.
Yeah.
The two of you swear by it. It gotta work. I'm gonna try it. It'll be a good thing.
Can't be a bad thing. It's all natural.
Yeah, that's right. It is all natural. Gonna have bad rain tonight, they said, I heard.
I didn't hear that, but who knows?
Maybe it's only out here by me.
Probably not. I just didn't check.
Oh, okay. All right, so I won't see you next week probably unless something changes.
Well, you never know. You never know what could have changed.
So, well, good to check up on you, and nice to talk to you, and I'll speak to you in a couple of days.
All right, Carl.
All right, Tom. Take care.
Anytime, feel good. All
See you
right.
soon.
All right, thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You sure? I'll cut you a nice piece here. Try your burger. Sorry if it's overcooked.
Burger. I like burgers.
I don't understand. Burger with no bone.
I don't understand you. It's steak.
At least I know there is bone when we bought it. The steak. I'm sorry, love.
Burger or steak?
No. No man. Ground like McDonald's. Is that true that he does like it or is just a stunt?
No, he likes it.
And soda also, he is crazy with soda.
And Diet Coke.
Oh my goodness, too much sugar. You think he has doctor beside him?
I'm sure he has great doctors.
Maybe private doctor, huh?